with me every time.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna share how to download PTC Creo. You can download PTC Creo 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, 1.0. Yes, it is free for students. Most people don't know about it, so I'm just posting a video about it, and I'll have this link in the description. Please click on it. If you are a college student, high school student, or an educator, you can download it for free. Make sure that the student version files will not open in the commercial version, and the commercial version files don't open in the student version. Make sure about that. And I'm a college student, so I'm clicking on the college student. It will land you on this page. You need to fill up all the details, which school you are or company you're working for, how we're gonna use, what is your age, what are the softwares that are they are currently using in your school. When you click the submit, you'll land on this page, and these are the instruction. This is how you're going to download it. Once you click on the link, it will land you on this page. And then you can download, as I said, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, 4.0 is the latest version. So I'll just go download it. You can download it by using a downloads manager or HTTPS. I don't know the difference, but whatever. I'm just using a direct download. HTTPS is mostly a direct download. Once I click on it, it will download it. I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it again. It's 4 GB ISO file. Once it is downloaded, you can go into the instructions. You need to log in before you download. If you don't have a login details, you can just create it. It is free. Once you create it and click download, it will be downloaded. Then you need to extract it, and once it is extracted, you just have to run the file. Once you run the file, the most important thing is having the license. So we need to paste. Everyone will get this license. We have to copy it and paste it, and the license area, when you paste it and click install, it will just install. Nothing else you have to do, and you can have it. So I already downloaded it, I already installed it. This is Creo 4.0 student version, and as I said, you can't use this for commercial purposes. And enjoy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and visit my website www.maripatibhargava.com. Thank you so much.